Hi, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. I'm going to introduce you to our handy finishing stand. This little tool is really helpful for holding your standard cone filters, and it'll hold it on both a 2-quart and a 1-quart cup assembly. And the nice thing about it is that it will pack down into a small box so that you don't have this big contraption floating around in your shop when you don't need it. So in order to use this, it's really simple. You take the 2 rings, the larger ring is your base. You pick which leg you need to use, either for the 2-quart or the longer or the shorter leg for the 1-quart. And you add that to your base. And then just insert the top. And then you grab your cone filter and stick it under, put your cup under there, and there you go. You're ready to pour in your material and strain your material in your cup.